Hello, beauties. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things beauty and makeup. Today, we have something truly special lined up for you. The best quality eyeshadow brushes you can find on the market. Introducing the Eyeliner Brush Fine Angled by EIGSHOW. This brush isn't just your ordinary makeup tool. It's a game changer in precision and performance. Let's dive into what makes this brush stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk about precision. This brush features an ultra-thin, slanted flat angle design, allowing you to create the sharpest, most defined lines with ease. Crafted with cruelty-free synthetic bristles of the highest quality. This brush ensures impeccable application every time, without any smudging or feathering. Whether you're a makeup pro or just starting out, you'll appreciate how effortlessly this brush glides along your lash line, giving you total control and flexibility. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance of the Eyeliner Brush Fine Angled. From its ability to create precise lines to its durability and ease of use. This brush has earned the love and trust of beauty enthusiasts worldwide. And here's the best part, cleaning this brush is a breeze. With just a few simple steps, you can keep your brush in top condition for years to come. So, whether you're rocking a classic cat eye or experimenting with bold, graphic looks, the Eyeliner Brush Fine Angled by EIGSHOW is your ultimate partner in crime. That's all for today's review. If you're ready to elevate your eye makeup game, be sure to check out the Eyeliner Brush Fine Angled. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.